Hey everyone, well welcome to the West End Autoplex and Business Center. This is Marty with eXp Realty, and today I want to talk about the mezzanines. Now this unit is an 1,120 square foot surface level, but it's over 400 square feet that can expand here on the mezzanine level. Now how do you do that? Well, first of all, we either have a wood beam or we can have a steel beam depending on the span. This happens to be one of the smaller units, so they did it with wood. But the cool thing about it is that you're also able to pick a railing system, whether you want to do metal with stainless steel lines, whatever you want to do with spindles. Get creative as you want, because here you can customize your unit the way you want, whether it's for business or you're just a car enthusiast that wants to have an incredible man cave. So let's take a look at this. Here right now is where this is maxed out at the beam. But because of the support load, you can come out an additional 2 to 3 feet times however wide this one is. I forgot, I think it's 28 feet. And get yourself even more space in the mezzanine level by cantilevering this mezzanine beyond the load-bearing support beam, which happens to be right here. So again, lots of opportunity. Last thing I want to mention is the ADA bathrooms. They're all roughed in to do whatever you want. There is a standardized pricing. We'll talk more about that in another future video. But whether you want to do the basic ADA bathroom or something even fancier with a shower, you want to have a hot tub, you want to expand this area, again, let your imagination run wild.